Alright, today is Tuesday, September the 11th, 2018, at about, I don't know, somewhere give or take 8 o'clock in the morning. And you can see we're at St. James Cathedral Center, 65 Church Street, and this is it. See a great big spire there. This is in downtown Toronto, Canada, which for parking, driving, for everything is a complete and total nightmare. But we're on a little walking tour today, without maps, without GPS, without anything, trying to figure this out. And we're going to see what we can do. So,
down there.
all right, well, let's just head down that way. All right, so a little further down here, you see they made this little, I don't know what it is, it's a replica or something of that big spire. And there's a pigeon right there. So you can see right here, let's see, what does it say? Sacred memory of Albert Piddlesworth, George Christ. Okay, so various people there. So it's a little memorial. That's kind of neat. Yeah, you can see it from this side here. That's pretty cool, I gotta say. And some more names there. Yeah, and then that's okay. Awesome. We're downtown. And then now that we're close, that big spire. Alright. There's some nice little flowers right here. So here, get those for you, then we'll be done. Alright. Alright, so now we've come down to the St. Lawrence Hall building. And way up at the top, it's got a big green cupola that we can't see too much from this angle, but I'll get it from another. And this one is on 157 East King Street. So that's this building here. Okay, so up there is more of that cupola.
Yep.
Canadian flag on it. Flying. So that looks pretty good.
Go ahead.
And it should be a little better, hopefully. So we'll take that. Alright, so that is called the Flatiron Building. That's Goodenham, I think they call it. We'll walk along here a little bit. Show you this thing. That's pretty neat. I think that's CN Tower straight ahead. And then we got this nonsense here. This is Front Street. That street is Wellington. And so we're on Front Street. Okay. So that's the building. And there's a garbage truck. Cool. Now that angled building that I just took a little video of, this is behind it. This is the back of it. You can see they got it made almost like a ripping down, you know, curtain or something. That's pretty cool. And see, there's a white pigeon there, or it's a speckled pigeon, it's white. And then back here we got this fountain. Oh, and look, it's got all kinds of dogs. Hey, you notice this is a dog? Check this out. All the puppies are fountains. Little pugs, all in the center. These are all pugs. And up there, that is cool. I have not seen anything like this. I have not seen anything like that. pretty cool. I like, oh, I think, hey, they got a cat sitting right there, just looking, not doing any work. And then here is a Saint Bernard with his tongue out. Another one over there, and then still all these bugs. That is pretty cool. Okay, so this is the Hockey Hall of Fame building. It's much smaller than what we thought. And this is on Yonge Street. And so it's Front and Yonge. I can't see a sign that says Yonge, but it's, believe me, this is Yonge Street, I can promise you. So that's it. We'll go across and get a little more of it. Alright, so this is the front door. And look right up here. Look at the detail on that thing. Pretty darn cool, I think. I like that. The crest up there with the Indians. And these columns are neat. Get this side of the building, yeah, this is much bigger side of the building. The Hockey Hall of Fame, it says up there. Let's step back over here. Get as much of it as I can. There you go. Alright, and then we got these hockey players over here. Let's check out these dudes. Okay. And then from here, we can't see much. Alright, so that's the Hockey Hall of Fame. Alright, so up here in front of us, out there in the distance, you can see that's the CN Tower. Look how beautiful the sky's finally getting today. Really nice. That's it. Okay. This building here is the postal station. Okay. Oh, Union Station. Okay, that's Union Station. Okay, I remember seeing that online actually. Now this building back here, this is some sort of a public works type building. The sun's not doing it much favor, but hey. So we can block that sun. There we go. So we got that. And then and we're heading down this way. So pretty cool. All right, this old building here, this is part of the legislative area. I believe the main legislature stuff is back there, but this is the building that we're interested in. Got this big clock that looks like what I imagine Big Ben in London looks like. So that's it from this distance. Let's get a little closer, see what we can get. Okay, so we're just a little bit closer to it. Show you the bigness of it, see? It goes back to here. So pretty nice. Yeah, there is a reflection of it in this building right there. You take a look at that real close. All right, so let's move on and then get some more close. All right, so now we're across the street. Oh yeah, gargoyles. Yeah, if you see these little things sticking out right there and right there, those are gargoyles hanging out of that thing up there. That's pretty cool. There's the side of it down there. And then right there is the tower. Let's get past this truck. There's the front of it right there. Wow. That thing is huge. That's bigger than even I thought. I thought the front was a lot smaller. All right, now. Now straight up, you see those gargoyles up there? Hanging way out. That's crazy. To our glorious dead. 1914, 1918, so that's World War I. 39 to 45, too, obviously. And this is, the address here is 60 Bay Street, what's Queen Street. Okay, so this is 60 Queen Street is where this thing is at. And here, let me do it this way, look. All shadow, all sun. Pretty neat, huh? And then there's A. Now look at the reflection. See it reflecting in that glass building? Now that's pretty cool. I like that. Alright, so this is it from the other direction. Pretty cool. I like it. Anyway, I just gotta make sure I can run over here. Look at that. That is neat. That is very neat. I likes it. Like it too. That is a really, really cool building. Probably the most beautiful one I've seen here. That's what I would say. And look, there's a beautiful woman up there. Look at that. But that happens everywhere I go. Okay, this is inside the building that I just showed you from the outside. When you come in the doors, this is what the doors look like. They've got this lion in here. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so here is the St. James Market. I mean the St. Lawrence Market, excuse me. Got the wrong building in my head. Yeah, pretty neat building. And then on downtown, through there. Pretty big apartment building, I take it. This is the area. That's where we were in there a little bit ago.